Here I have HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and today I'm going to show you how to take live photo or action motion photo on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the camera mode, just normal photo, and here by tapping on this button you can enable moving picture. And when you have this feature enabled, you can take moving picture or motion photo or live photo, call it as you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.